Sometimes you just know you are a lifelong learner, and with the option of distance learning, you can keep on developing yourself while building your career.
That is the magic of it all. With distance learning, I didn't have to sacrifice my career for my studies.
Since plenty of my friends attended NWU, I decided to look into their courses.
That is when I came across the Bachelor's in Theology in Christian Ministry through NWU's Distance Learning.
I knew that the first step to reaching my goal was taking action.
The registration was simple. The program was well presented.
But the diploma, it was priceless.
When I completed my B.Ed studies, I knew that I couldn't stop there.
Luckily, I didn't have to.
After my studies, I walked into a classroom with full confidence that I could unleash the potential of each child in front of me.
NWU's unit for distance learning gave me the opportunity to not only further my studies, but to study on a flexible schedule,
while upgrading my qualification in the process,
making a bigger difference than I ever thought possible.
I didn't only walk away with a degree, I walked away with a jump start into the IT industry.
I didn't only complete this program with newfound expertise, but also became a confident and competent manager ready to run any business.
This program did more than just expand my knowledge. It opened doors to industries and research opportunities and helped me to discover new ways to improve the world around me.